I thought bidets were idiot-proof until I made some newbie mistakes. So here's how to use a bidet for both men and women without spreading poop particles. The basics, what you need to know before you spray. First, let's clear something up. A bidet attachment is hooked up to and sprays fresh water from your existing water supply. It's not spraying dirty toilet bowl water. Ever. It's the same water that feeds your sink, that you brush your teeth and wash your face with, and that you shower with. When the bidet is not in use, the nozzle stays retracted and cocooned away. It only retracts when the bidet is turned on, and it self-cleans itself with water before and after each use, so you don't have to worry about cross-contamination. Now, here's the rule that everyone forgets. Always start on the lowest pressure. Turn the knob slowly and start at the lowest setting. You can always increase the pressure later if you'd like. Depending on your model, you could adjust for pressure, angle, and temperature. If you have an electric bidet, it's even easier to customize your settings. You just press a button on a remote. If you're curious about the differences between models, I reviewed all the TUSHY bidets in my comparison video. I'll link that below. The next thing to know before using a bidet is your sitting position matters. Sit normally on your toilet so your butt fully covers the opening. Do not sit on the edge, because if you sit too far back or too far forward, you might spray water onto your pants or the floor. Next, you may be concerned about contamination, but you don't need to worry about that. Water doesn't behave the same way toilet paper does. So instead of carrying the bacteria forwards, it hits its mark, and thanks to gravity, everything falls straight down into the toilet bowl. When used properly, bidets are actually more hygienic than wiping. If you think bidets are unhygienic, that's actually a myth. I break that down in my video, Americans Are Wrong About Bidets. Another thing to know about bidets is that warm water bidets are an option. If you don't have an outlet near your toilet, don't worry. TUSHY has non-electric attachment models that hook up to your sink to access warm water. It may take a few seconds to warm up, but you'll have full temperature control. There are also many electric bidet seat models that do require outlets to use. Those models have instant warm water features, heated seats, and even heated air dryers. All the bells and whistles with the touch of a button. Here is a step-by-step guide for men using bidets. Step 1, your positioning. Sit normally. You could lean slightly forward if you want, and relax. Seriously. Step 2, choose your settings. Most men use the rear spray only. Some models also have a front spray setting, but that will only be used if you want to wash your balls. Totally up to you. Step 3, turn it on slowly. Start low. The back spray is designed to hit your hole, not your balls. If it's hitting the wrong area, your pressure is too high or you're positioned wrong. Step 4, spray duration. Typically about 15 to 30 seconds of spraying is enough. Let the water do the work. Move slightly if you need better coverage, or adjust the angle settings. A special consideration for men: if you have hemorrhoids, a bidet offers great benefits. A gentle wash with water is way better than aggressive wiping. Cool water can reduce inflammation, and warm water is incredibly soothing. Many men report hemorrhoid improvement within just days of switching. Of course, diet matters too, and fiber plays a huge role. I'm doing a full video comparing the best fiber supplements soon, so subscribe so you don't miss it. Here is a step-by-step guide for women using bidets. Step 1, positioning. Again, sit normally. You could lean slightly forward if needed. You do not need to hover over the seat, and be sure to relax. Step 2, choose your settings. After you do your business, use the rear spray. However, if you're on your period or just freshening up, use the front wash setting. This is often called the feminine wash. These are usually 2 separate nozzles with different angles. Step 3, turn it on and start low and slow. The feminine wash setting is gentler and angled better for the vulva. For both wash settings, let it run for about 10 to 20 seconds and shift slightly if needed. Let the water do the work. Special situations for women: like I mentioned earlier, if you're on your period, it's actually more hygienic to wash with a bidet than to wipe. And It won't interfere with tampons or cups if you're positioned correctly. Cool water can feel super soothing, and warm water is amazing for cramps. If you are pregnant or postpartum, it's totally safe and often recommended to use a bidet. It's easier mobility-wise and gentler down there in general. It helps with pregnancy hemorrhoids too. Doctors frequently recommend bidets postpartum. Just wait until your doctor clears you, usually after your first checkup. And of course, use the gentlest pressure. Warm water is crucial for healing, and it is way better than aggressive wiping on stitches or tears. Now that you know how to wash with a bidet, next is how to dry off. You've got three main options. Option 1. Pat dry with toilet paper. Most beginners start here. Use a small amount of toilet paper to pat, not wipe. You'll use 75 to 80% less toilet paper after washing with a bidet first. Option 2, a reusable towel or cloth. Keep a collection of small towels by your toilet just for pat drying. Darker towels are better, and be sure to wash every 2 to 3 uses with regular laundry. This is the most sustainable way to dry off. Option 3, use a bidet with a built-in air dryer. If you have an electric seat, it may have a built-in warm air dryer. You could even adjust for the pressure of the air and the temperature of the air too. How luxurious! If you want a deeper breakdown on drying methods, I have a full video on that too. So yes, I am now that annoying person who tells everyone to get a bidet. I feel cleaner, I'm saving more money on toilet paper, my hemorrhoids are gone, and honestly, pooping is just more pleasant. It took me about 3 days to feel comfortable. Now, I genuinely cannot imagine going back to just toilet paper. If you're ready to join the Clean Butt Club, I've linked all the TUSHY bidet models below, and you can grab a special discount on your favorite one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.